Okay, so it's only been snowing for maybe an hour, and this is what we've got so far. It's laying on the road, as you can see. It's laying here on the roof. But this is what we have so far. Traffic is at a slow, not slow, but they're not speeding. So, and it's supposed to go on till tomorrow morning, so we're going to be looking at some nice thick snow coming down here. My little picnic table, but so everybody be safe out there. Stay home if you can. If you got to go out, use caution. Be safe. And have a good one.